Alright guys, I made it. There's Jake's truck right there. Hey Crusaders, Daryl here. So it's a Friday afternoon. I was invited to meet up with the boys from Offroad Adventure X, which was Steve and Jake, and I'm not sure if any of the other guys are there, but leaving Ocala to head out to the Ocala National Forest, and people behind me got rear-ended. So just got done with highway patrol, and I'm headed out to the Ocala National Forest just to hang out for a couple hours and you know, just try and have a good time because I have to work tomorrow on my day off. So hang tight, we're headed out to the woods. Hopefully no more drama, and everything will be fine. Also, I know it's going to come out afterwards, but to all the mothers out there, if you're watching, happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much, because without mothers, people like me wouldn't be around. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we're coming into Fort McCoy, and pretty much Fort McCoy is an old school, which is now a library. A couple stores here at the blinky light, and then there's another school, which is Fort McCoy School, a primary and secondary to 8th grade school. So this is the convergence of 315 and 316. So not sure what's going on over there. There's 3 Marion County Sheriff's deputies just sort of sitting there car to car talking, so I guess nothing's going on in this part of the world. Alright, so this is the area called Eureka. Luckily Dollar General has a market out here, so the only other grocery close to here would be going into Fort McCoy, to the Fort McCoy Grocers. And I can't remember if Salt Springs has a grocery store, which is about another 10 plus miles. So this is the Eureka Bridge, and it's going over the Ocala River, and you've seen this several times in other videos of mine. So I really like this bridge when there's no one in front of me, and as you crest the top of the bridge, it's like you can just see for miles and miles and miles, and you can get that right now on the camera. So this is the going over the Ocala River and this Eureka Bridge. So I'm quickly realizing this road was a bad idea with my front struts being bad. So just saying. So not sure, but it looks like they might be. But let's see. So there's a couple different come up on channel 17 on the GMRS if you don't mind. Alright guys, I made it. There's Jake's truck right there. Alright y'all, so I made it. Turned down the wrong road, but still went in the right direction. So let's get out and hang out with the guys. Alright y'all, so I made it out to the spot out here in the Ocala National Forest. Really nice spot. Don't worry, I'm not going to share it. So give that up. So there is Steve's Gladiator with his runaway trailer, and then there's Jake's Gladiator, and he's got the Rebel off-road dog box on a tray, and I'll get over there in a little bit. And then we also have I believe he said it's Joel's Jeep with his rooftop tent. So all right, Crusaders, so I got done visiting with Steve and Jake and Joel, I believe it was. So real neat place. I'm not going to share it out of respect for them because they sort of found it. So it was quick. It was a neat little trail there. I took the wrong road, but it was a neat trail getting in, and it was just as neat getting back out. So I have the option to go back the way I came through 315 back through Fort McCoy, and I'm probably going to do that since my front struts are still basically blown out and it's really rough. So instead of the graded lime rock road, I'm going to take the paved road. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just quick, real fast, but enjoyed just sitting there talking with the guys. I see them occasionally, but I don't really get to sit down and talk with them and stuff. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless, and I hope to see each and every one of you on your own adventure. All right, guys.